Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to enable monetization on YouTube. First, to qualify for monetization, your channel has to have at least 4,000 hours of public watch time within the last year and at least 1,000 subscribers. This policy went into effect at the beginning of 2018 and is another way for YouTube to prioritize watch time. Since YouTube ultimately wants to keep users on the platform for as long as possible, watch time has become more and more valuable to creators. And before you hit the enable button to monetize your channel, there are a few things you can do to make sure that your channel has the best possible chance of getting approved for monetization. It can take up to 30 days for YouTube to review your channel, and you have to wait an additional 30 days to apply if your application is denied. So, don't take any chances. You want your revenue to start coming in as soon as possible. One of the most common reasons that YouTube doesn't approve monetization application is duplication. By the way, if your application is denied, YouTube will provide a reason on your monetization page, but the explanations can be a little vague. You've reached the required number of subscribers and watch hours, and you've checked your channel for red flags, and it's time to learn how to enable monetization on YouTube. First, go to YouTube Studio. After you click on your icon in the top right corner of the screen, once you're in YouTube Studio, find the channel menu on the left-hand side of your screen and click on monetization. Then, finally, in the monetization window, click Start. Once you've done this, you've accepted the YouTube Partner Program terms. You just have to sign up for AdSense or connect an existing account. This is what ultimately allows your channel to earn money. YouTube will then prompt you to set your monetization preferences. Don't worry too much about this step. You can change your monetization preferences later and customize it so that you're only monetizing certain videos. Then, wait for monetization approval. Unfortunately, monetizing on YouTube isn't as simple as clicking a button. It typically takes 30 days for YouTube to review an application. And there are other monetization options: patronage, merchandise, affiliate, product features, and paid sponsorships. Monetization can be a tricky game, but just remember to keep up the hustle. You're in it for the long haul, so make content that you are truly passionate about. YouTube creators are some of the busiest people out there, so set yourself up for success by using high-quality stock footage, After Effects templates. Don't skimp on the audio. Either viewers appreciate sound effects and music that match the tone of the video. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos, and see you guys for the next videos.